In this tutorial, we will learn how to generate a dump of the database and download it in Plesk. This tutorial assumes that you have already logged into your Plesk account. In the left sidebar of your Plesk account, there is the Databases option. Click to go to the Databases interface. Here are the databases. Now click to expand the database you wish to download. Go and click the Export Dump option. It gives an option to export the database backup under a certain folder. You can click the folder name where you wish to save. To download the database backup, click this checkbox and then click OK. The generated dump has been downloaded on our computer. Thank you for watching.